ClickBank free traffic methods for 2021 and 2022. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to Art of Marketing blog, a place where we talk about making money online, working from home, and cryptocurrency. And in this video, I will show you top ClickBank free traffic methods that work right now in 2021 and 2022. And this is something that you've probably never seen before, never heard before, maybe something similar, but not this exact free traffic method. So I will show you exactly how it works from A to Z. And I also have a complete system that will actually automate this whole thing for you. If you want to check it out right now, just click on the first link in the description. I will tell you more about it in just a minute. Before we start, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. And right now, let me share my screen. Let's jump into this ClickBank free traffic methods. So first of all, why ClickBank? So you can apply this method to anything you want to sell online. So you can sell your own products, you can do CPE marketing, affiliate marketing, you can again sell anything online. But ClickBank is very cool because the product is already done for you. You're getting an affiliate commission and there is no approval, which means that you don't need a permission from the vendor to sell it. You just grab your link and you are ready to go. So another cool thing is that with ClickBank, obviously you have many different niches. So you can do as seen on TV, you can do business and investing, you can do cooking, you can do education, you can do fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, a big one, self-help, travel, sports, every single niche, no matter how small, is probably on ClickBank, but we will stick with products that solve problems, okay? So you will need to solve a problem with the product that you're gonna be promoting. So the three biggest problems are always related to health, wealth, and relationships, okay? So stick to these three big niches. You can go deeper into a sub niche, but in a nutshell, this is what will make you the most amount of money on ClickBank and with this free traffic source I'm about to show you, okay? So for the purpose of this video, let's go to the health and fitness category. And how you pick a product, you just sort results with gravity, okay? So gravity means the higher the score, the more affiliates are currently making sales, which means that it's a good sign because people are making sales with it, okay? So you have an average conversion right here, so $180, $150, $106. So you pick the product, just make sure that it actually looks good, it actually feels good, it actually solves the problem, and that you will the amount of money that you are wanting to make online, okay? So I'm just going to show you super quickly how to do this and how not to do this, okay? So let's say we're gonna pick this product, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. All you have to do is just click on promote, click on generate hop links, and this is your link, okay? So first I'm going to show you how not to do it because you can actually get banned. It used to work this way, but it's not anymore, okay? So what people used to do is they would just copy this link, they would go to a URL shortener like bit.ly. You can still use bit.ly, by the way, but what they would do is they would just paste the link, get the shortened link so it looks better, and then they would just share it, okay, with this free traffic source I'm about to show you. So you're gonna get banned this way, so don't do it. You can share it with maybe 5 people per day, but if you will overdo it, you will get banned instantly, okay? So this is not how to do it. I will show you how to do it in just a second. But the free traffic source that we are going to use is Twitter Advanced Search, okay? So it's not Twitter, it's not hashtags, it's not just tweeting from your account. It's using the Twitter Advanced Search. So all you have to do is just go to Google, type in Twitter Advanced Search. The top results is obviously what you're going to be needing, and this is how it looks like, okay? So first of all, you're going to have to pick the product that you're promoting, okay? So you won't be using Twitter before that. So obviously you need to know which niche, which product you are going after. So for example, after picking this product, Okinawa Flat Belly, we're going to type in all the different keywords related to health and fitness, flat belly, losing weight. You can play around with it to get different keywords. For example, we have all of these words, so the exact phrase like health and fitness, or I want a flat belly, or just flat belly. Then we have the exact phrase, we have any of these words, we have none of these words. So with none of these words, we, for example, can add free because we don't want people looking for free solutions. Hashtags, we're gonna skip because this is a totally another way of getting free traffic from Twitter. Language, obviously, if you're targeting a specific country or a specific language, you can use it. You can go after specific accounts, but we will skip this as well. And very, very important, we have to switch off the links, because if someone is tweeting about a flat belly with a link, that means that they are promoting something. So we want all the people that are tweeting about a flat belly without a link, like asking questions on Twitter or just needing some feedback or something. You can play around with engagement as well, but for now, let's just pick a date. So I'm recording this on the 1st of October. So let's go September. The first year is 2021 till October, and we have 1st 2021 as well. So it's the last 30 days. So you obviously need something recent. Let's click on search. And as you can see, we have all of these people tweeting about flat belly. I just want a flat belly. So these are the kind of tweets that you are looking for. You have the solution to this person's problem. She wants a flat belly. You have the product that will show her how to get a flat belly. Now, remember about what I told you not to do? So the old method was you would just reply to this person's tweet with a link to your ClickBank product. This is not the way to do it. You're gonna get banned super quickly this way. The way to do it is, for example, I would just open this person in another tab. I would follow this person, and then I would reply to her original tweet about the flat belly with. I had the same problem, but I found an amazing solution, and that's it. No link, okay? So you are not spamming, you are not tweeting and replying with the same link 100 times or 1,000 times. You're just replying, following them, so they actually will see the notification about the follow first, and then they will see that you replied to their tweet. So it looks legit. It looks like a friend or a friend of a friend is maybe replying to a tweet. Now, after the person you're replying to replies to you, then you reply with a link, okay? So this looks totally legit. It is totally legit. You have the solution to their problem. You're not spamming because you're only replying to people that replied to you, and you won't get banned this way. And again, make sure to follow the person first. And going back here, check dozens of people, hundreds of people with the same exact problem. Now it just keeps on refreshing, and keep in mind this is just one keyword and this is just 30 days. So you can just keep on scrolling, you can keep on doing this. Look at how many people are tweeting about belly fat or a flat belly. So with one keyword you can literally do this 1,000 times. Now again, don't overdo it. I wouldn't send more than 50 links per day, so you can still get banned if you overdo it. If you're gonna do 50, 100, maybe 200 links per day, and this is the way to do it. So you don't have to do anything else apart of what I just showed you. Okay, so first of all, again, make sure to actually find a product that solves a problem. Then do what I showed you with the search, do what I showed you with the replies. Obviously you can use Bitly to actually make your link look better. And another super important thing is that you can actually tweet them a link to the offer, or you can actually build an email list of people that are interested in this particular subject. So instead of a link to an offer, so a direct link, you can actually send them to a squeeze page that you will create. So for example, this is one of my squeeze pages. I essentially give away a course on how to make $400 per day. And what people will do is they will enter their email right here. Okay, so once they do this, they will be added to my autoresponder, my email autoresponder, and then I will start sending them automated emails. Okay, so they will get a welcome email, they will get 30 or 60 emails after this, one after the other, and this is all automated, so I don't have to do a thing apart of making sure that people actually sign up with their email right here. Everything else is automated. So for example, if you're gonna tweet someone with a link to an offer, they're gonna see it once, maybe buy, maybe not, maybe they're gonna forget about it, maybe they're gonna remember about it a week later, maybe not, you don't know. But if they will get onto your email list, you can remind them every single day for the next 60 days. Hey, check this out, check this out. You can email them about a different offer. You can email them about a bunch of different things. You can send them your social media if you want to grow your YouTube channel or your Twitter or your Instagram, whatever. Once someone is on your email list, essentially you own the traffic. So traffic from Twitter is cool, it's zero cost, it's free, but if you have your email list, then it's even better because you can email your list whenever you want. So you can do the first way, you can just send people directly to the ClickBank offer, but the smarter way and the way that will actually make you more money is sending people to a squeeze page and building an email list. You're actually building an asset that will make you much more money down the road. Now check this out, I wanted to show you my own email list. Okay, so I have 3 different email lists. This one is 19,000 people, almost 20,000 people. I also have this one 10,400 people, and I have another one 9,800. So a total of almost 40,000 people I can essentially email every time I need some traffic. So this is what you can be building. Obviously I can't show you exactly how to set all of this up in this video because it will be like 5 hours long, but the cool thing is that I actually have a system, an automated system for you that will set all of this up for you. So everything from offers to Twitter traffic to all of these pages and the setup. Okay, so it actually went live right now as of the moment of recording this video, and it's called Plug and Play. First link in the description will take you to this sales page, and as you can see, they say we are guaranteed $98 a day. Passively, you want to duplicate our results, it's easy, just plug and play. So this exact system will show you exactly what to do step by step with the whole email setup and even more traffic from our sources. Okay, let me show you the inside of the members area. This is how it looks like. So we have the dashboard right here with the welcome video. You can create campaigns, you can create landing pages, you have free traffic training, you have fast traffic, so additional traffic, part of Twitter, you have social traffic, you have software training. So everything you need to make this work is included in the members area. Now the cool thing is that the price is $12 and I have an additional discount which brings it down to $9. Guys, this is a business in a box that you can start making money with right now, and it's $9. So it's pretty crazy. The price will be going up, by the way, so make sure to grab it right now by using the first link in the description. And if you will, I will actually send you a bunch of bonuses. Okay, so I will have the bonuses in the description, but the first bonus is zero cost weekly coaching calls with my buddy Vic, the person that is actually releasing this product. So Vic and Tom, they're the 2 guys behind this product, and you're also going to get a ton of additional bonuses. So you're going to get my mega done for you pack, you're going to get access to my done for you freedom system, automated profit formula, a bunch of different software that will get you even more free traffic. So again, all the bonuses will be in the description, and make sure to pick up your copy of Plug and Play right now because the price will be going up. Click on the first link in the description. You don't have to do this because I essentially showed you the whole method, but if you want it step by step, automated and done for you, pick up Plug and Play right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment if you want to say hi, if you have any questions. And again, pick up Plug and Play right now because it's $9 with the discount code that I have in the description. So thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.